Hey guys, hi again. Welcome to Learning with Harry. My name is Harry. Hope you are doing fine. So again, continuing my trend for the uncommon videos you have learned. First we learned Roman, then we learned combination, that is combine function. Now we have a repeat function, basically REPT, and it's basically repetition. How many times a thing or a text you wanted to repeat. So if you can see here, we have a data like I wanted these things to be repeated this many of times. So you have a uncommon things. Even I am not sure when you have used this function. Joe, if you have used, just comment it when you have used. So I'm just starting with without wasting a time. REPT. So you can read it out over here. Written a text will be repeated it as many times you mention it. So you have a text, I have these things and to be repeated number of times 2. So let's see what's happening. So learning will be repeated twice because I have written 2 over here. If you type 3, it will be 3, and if you type 10, so it will be repeated 10 many times. And I'm just copying that formula in H. So my first initial will be repeated 4 times because I have mentioned 4. You can mention 2, 20, or whatever you want it. Copy this, and I wanted to you like this video and yeah, you can like this video if you're liking it, and like word will be repeated to 8 times because I have mentioned 8. You can mention 2, 3. Now let's see how many likes you are giving to me, and copying that formula again to last that you can subscribe my channel 20 times. So the word will be repeated 20 times. This is a formula. So if you can count it, basically I'm not let me just 5. You can count it now. It's 5 because even I have mentioned space over here. If you remove space, it will not include space, so better it will. So that's this for this video. Let me know when you have used this kind of thing or where it can be useful, basically. So I hope you will like this video and subscribe this channel, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.
New to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.